Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Accord air filter. First, open your hood and locate the air filter housing, typically a black plastic box. You will need a new air filter and possibly a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket wrench for some models. This quick maintenance task can be completed in about 10 to 15 minutes, saving you money and improving your car's health. Now let's access the filter. The air filter housing is usually a prominent black plastic box, often on the passenger side of the engine compartment. Look for 2 to 4 metal clips around the housing's perimeter. Unfasten these clips, or use your screwdriver to remove any screws securing the lid. Once unclipped or unscrewed, gently lift the top portion of the housing to expose the old filter. With the housing open, carefully lift out the old, often dirty, air filter. Take a moment to inspect the housing for any leaves, dust, or small debris that may have accumulated. You can use a clean cloth to wipe the inside of the box. Now, place your brand new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely within its designated slot. To finish, carefully lower the top of the air filter housing back into place. Re-engage all the metal clips or retighten the screws you removed earlier, ensuring a secure seal. Replacing your air filter regularly, typically every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, helps your engine breathe better, improving fuel economy and overall performance. It's a simple step for a healthier car.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.